Hello everybody, so we're in Walmart right now. Miss Charlotte would not stay quiet in the car, but we are here to do our Walmart Ibotta deals. Not a lot going on, which is totally cool, so it's just going to be an easy week to get some Ibotta deals, but I will have the breakdowns in the videos, so you just have to look for that, and I will pick a winner for the bags, and I might do another giveaway. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So like I said, it was a slow week. I had to keep refreshing my phone to see if the Weekend Warrior would pop up. It finally did. I needed 15 rebates for $3. I needed 6 or 7 more rebates to get my bonus, and I just wasn't really feeling like finishing it. And this is okay because today I've just been extremely busy, but I'm going to share with you guys my haul. I do want to thank everybody who wrote the special comment to get these reusable bags. I'm going to have the 3 winners for you guys. So the 3 people who won, now don't worry, I will be giving away a ton of these in the future, so if you guys don't have a chance, you have a chance in the future, but I have a whole basket full of these. So, I'm sorry if I do bash your name, but, or smash, whatever your name, but it's Toshi, Toshi, Toshi. You are a winner, so please message me either through Facebook or Instagram or however, email. I got all that stuff down below. Mary Smoke, you also won. And then Melanie Baines, you won also. So send me your information so I can mail these out for you guys. And I'm going to say what the magical word for this week is to get 3 more winners, 3 more bags for each winner. The special word is pickles. Because I like pickles, so why not? I was trying to like figure out like weird words to figure out, but then like spelling is kind of weird, so I'm just like, we'll just do pickles. So, the first item I got is the Love's diapers because we are still in diapers. I wish they had more than just 1. I wish they had always a rebate of like 1 or 2 or 3, but it's always just 1, but that is okay. But these were $5.47. You'd pay $5.47 for this, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and then I had a 10-cent any diapers rebate, making these $3.37. So that is 2 rebates right there. There's some diapers for you. Have some fun with those diapers. You like those diapers. You're like, diapers. So, last night, I was going to do the Poise 1 deal, okay? My fetch rewards said 5,000 points. Okay, looked this morning, and it said 4,000 points, but then I'm so happy I double-checked right when I got to the store because I got 4,000 points for purchasing 2. Funny thing is, my entire store was completely sold out of Poise products, except like just like 2 kinds, and that was it. And they were completely sold out of the one Poise. They had 1 box that was just completely smashed up. So I originally grabbed the 1, and then I looked at my app and I'm like, okay, I'm going to do it. But if you guys do scan the 1, it does count for a Poise rebate on Ibotta. But this was just a couple cents cheaper, so I went and got this deal instead. So these were $5.12. I got a 2. That is really weird. Something just like fell on my desk and nothing's even touching it. You get a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.12. So it's up to you how you want to do that deal. If you heard weird noise in the background, it is Miss Charlotte. So this is the freebie of the week. And Charlotte, you be careful. And this is the freebie of the week. So this was $3.48 and I used the freebie coupon. And this was $1.78 and I used the freebie coupon. So you guys will get these absolutely for free. How you doing? No? Okay, you're moving the camera. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Nothing? Okay. I ended up getting the Veggie Craft pasta. I got the sweet potatoes. I did have a $1 off Peely coupon that I had from a while ago. If you can find any on your boxes, that'd be awesome, but I bought a couple boxes from last time. So this was $2.98. I used a $1 off Peely coupon. You'd pay $1.98, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this free or a 2-cent moneymaker. So the next deal I got was the Frieda Blue Crush. Now they had $3 for the shampoo and $2.49 for the conditioner, but they also had 2 different conditioners for $3, so I don't know really what the difference is, but I have wanted to try this because it is for brunettes. I got Charlotte by my feet. I got Paris right here. Oh, my children. So I just thought I'm going to get this for a try for $2.49, but there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.49. So I've been wanting to try this. I kind of wish I got the shampoo, but I'm just being cheap. But I will try to get that next time I am there if it's still available. But originally they wanted $9.97 for it. So getting it for $1.49, I think that is a great deal. The next deal I got, I don't have everything with me. No, I do. The next deal I got is the Nivea face cream. This was $4.94. I used a $2 off insert coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You would pay $2.94, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 94 cents. So you'd get that for 94 cents. The next deal I did was the Eucerin Lotion. This was $6 and sorry, there's like, I have a shade right here and the light's like shining right here. $6.97, but then there is a $3 off insert coupon, making it $3.97. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, so you just get this for $1.97. And then the next deal I got is the Mederma Quick Oil. Now, the coupon will beep no matter what because it is a high value coupon. I think anything over $5 will beep anyways because there's a lot of misuse of coupons that are the high value and people will use them for everything. Funny thing is, my coupon was kind of blurry. She's like, oh, this expired. I says, no, I said I think it expires like 2/22/22 is what I thought it said. I don't know, it was blurry, but I'm like, we just received these, so I don't think they were expired. So she entered it in, so if you guys are afraid of, you know, people entering stuff in, definitely just, you know, skip it. But it is an easy freebie. $9.42, you want to use a $7 off insert coupon. You would pay $2.42, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 58 cents. You'd get that for it. Or 58-cent moneymaker. 58-cent moneymaker. So yeah. So that was my Ibotta stuff. I know it wasn't very much, but I was gonna get the Super Pretzel, but my store, I could not find them anywhere. They were all gone. I don't know what happened to them. They had an end cap of them, and I don't, honey, it's not gonna open, sweetie. I was trying to find these sweet tart candies, couldn't find it. My store does not sell the big bottles of Perel. I wanted to get the Cheez-Its, but my store didn't have the Scorcher Cheez-Its. And then I wanted to do this Mountain Dew deal. Well, this is nice. It expires in a couple days. But I ended up getting the Mountain Dew Major Melon, and I ended up getting the Mountain Dew Zero. Now, these were both $1.98. I really want to try the Mountain Dew Spark. I really want to try the Mountain Dew Spark because it's like blue raspberry with lemonade / Mountain Dew, and I'm really excited for it. But seriously, Paris, my Walmart does not sell them. So I was thinking of maybe going to a different grocery store to get them. But I still did this anyways because you don't have to do it all in one transaction. So with the Zero, you'd pay $1.98, but then you get 1,500 points for purchasing the product with Fetch Rewards. So this just becomes a 48-cent deal. Then with the melon, these again are $1.98. You'd pay $1.98 for it. But when you purchase 2, you get 1,000 points when you purchase 2. I only bought the 1. So if I go to Walmart or wherever and I submit my receipt and I buy another melon, that'll count. It doesn't have to be in the same transaction. So I did that, and then I really wanted to do the Spark. But if you bought all 3, it would end up becoming a moneymaker, I think is what it would have been from what maybe. But it would have been super cheap because you would have gotten like $5 back. Yeah, maybe $1 or something, but it's still a great deal. So my total came to $26.35. I received $14.10 back with Ibotta. Seriously, Paris, we're gonna do that game? She's just rubbing her face on everything. $14.10. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,650 points. That is $1.65 that I got. So my grand total was $10.60. I got 9 items at just $1.17 each. So not the greatest, but it's been a while since I've kind of had a weird Walmart Ibotta haul, but yeah, but that's okay. I'm still happy with what I got. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you comment down below pickles if you guys are interested in winning the 3 reusable bags. I do get these at IKEA. A lot of thank you. A lot of you guys have been asking where I get them from. I actually got these like a year and a half. I think I got them even before COVID happened, but because I was gonna do it, and then they stopped. We could not use reusable bags for anything in my area, but I use these for Walmart now. I use them for Walgreens and CVS, and I can fit 3 times as much in these bags than I can with their normal cheap bags. Seriously, cat. But anyways, I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.